Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to my tutorial. In this one, I will show you the chord shapes that I use to play Please Come Home for Christmas. Once you are familiar with them, you can use the link in the description below to learn the song with my Please Come Home for Christmas YouTube tutorial. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E, and the key is A major. We'll start with an A major chord, which is the basic A major chord with the D, G, and B string held down at fret 2, strumming from the A string. Our next chord is A major 7. With this one, we're holding down the D string at fret 2, the G string at fret 1, and the B string at fret 2, strumming from the A string. We'll remove the first finger to get an A7. So we had A major 7, and A7. Next we'll have a conventional D chord where we're holding down the G string at fret 2, the B string at fret 3, and the high E string at fret 2, strumming from the D string. Next is D sharp minor 7 flat 5. We're going to hold down the D string at fret 1 and bar the G, B, and high E at fret 2. Next is an A major chord played at the 5th fret, like this. At fret 5, we're holding down the B and high E. We're going to hold down the G string at fret 6 and the D string at fret 7, and we can strum that from the A as well. We'll do an E chord this way. For that one, I'm holding down the B string at fret 5, the G string at fret 4, and the D string at fret 6, and I can bar that high E like that, and that's an E chord. We'll need an F sharp minor played this way. For that one, I'm barring from the D string down at fret 2 and bringing in my ring finger to the D string at fret 4, strumming from that string. And that's F sharp minor. We'll also need a B7 played this way. For that one, we're not playing the high E, and we're playing the A string at fret 2, the D string at fret 1, and the G string at fret 2. That's what we want. We'll play an E major chord this way. For that one, we're holding down the A string at fret 2, the D string at fret 2, and the G string at fret 1, strumming all the strings. We'll play E major flat 6 by holding our E chord and then barring with our first finger at fret 1 and play this. We're not playing the high E string on that one as well. We'll play E7 by holding down the A string at fret 2 and the G string at fret 1. We'll also need D minor, played this way. We're holding down the high E string at fret 1, the G string at fret 2, and the B string at fret 3, strumming from the D string. And here's our most interesting chord of the song. This is an E augmented. We're holding down the A string at fret 7, the D string at fret 6, the G string at fret 5, and borrowing the B string at fret 5. And we're playing it like this, just picking downward from the A string. We'll also strum that chord in the song, like that. Our last chord is a C sharp minor 7, played this way. We're borrowing from the A string down at fret 4, bringing in a finger to the B string, fret 5, and the D string, fret 6, playing from the A string down. That's C sharp minor 7. Well, alright, those are the chords that you'll be needing to play my YouTube version of Please Come Home for Christmas. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.